Hello boys and girls, today you are going to need your journals, you are going to need your tiles out, and to start off with, I think today is going to be an exciting day because you're really going to stretch your brain and find some more symbolic notations and see how they work. Yesterday we worked with area, and you know the formula for area. Today we're going to work with perimeter. We're going to see if we can double every time to get our answer, or if that doesn't work, what pattern works for us. So what symbolic notation can we write? Put on your thinking hats, dig deep, here we go. So if you notice, we're still going to work with those 3 tiles across, but this, like I said, we're going to work with perimeter. So with your 3 tiles, please do 3 tiles across. And if we look at our 3 tiles across, we can see, if remember, perimeter is all the way around. So we're going to add. So we have 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. Now, if I look at this again, and I don't want to write all those pluses, I noticed that I really have 3 times 2, and if I do those first, and then I can plus 2 more, and I have 6 plus 2 equals 8. Let's see if we've got that correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I like to multiply when I can when I have equal groups. That works for me. It doesn't quite work when we have 1 times 1, because 1 times 1 is 1, and that's not what we have there, so we had to add 2. So if I was going to, I know my perimeter now is 8 centimeters. And my algebraic expression, you can do all your additions if you'd like. I am going to do 3 times 2 plus 2 equals. Now, I want you and your partner to continue to build and put this table in your notes and keep going till you get 6 rows. Then I really want you to look at your algebraic expression. If you look at it and it keeps building, see what you know. So the big question is here, can we just double our answer every time? Will our next answer be 16? I don't know. So go until then, and then turn and rules for finding perimeter area. Let's see if you agree with these rules. If you don't agree, let's have a good discussion. I would prefer, if it works out, I would like you to call the teacher over at this time and work with the teacher to see about perimeter and what happens with perimeter. Here's some more examples of what happened when you did a couple more rows. Here when I did 10 rows, did that rule still apply? Can I use that rule to keep building if I wanted to know if there was 25, if there was 30? So I want you to, in your journal, I want to know what would be the 14th row. Plug in the formula and see if you can figure it out. I want to know what would be the 25th row. If you need to build it, that's great. To double check it, I'd like you to build at least one of these. It's going to take a lot of tile, but that's okay because I want to know if you have 14 rows of 3 in each row, what would the perimeter be? When you get done with that, I would like you to do page 29 on your own. have fun.